Huh. This farm. Well done, Solomon. You're trying to extract the. Why are you laughing? You're trying to extract the palm nuts from the. What's this called? Is it from the? This is not the root though. From whatever. Okay, so this is the orange tree. There's someone that will come to mow this grass. I can't go further so that snake will not climb my leg. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
This is a bell. In case anybody's in the farm and you need someone's attention, instead of screaming at the top of your voice, you just use this and everybody will hear. Even the dead wake up. Yeah. Okay, this is the pathway. Please, how do I go inside? Okay, following this way. All right. Oh, I've seen. So this is where they were working on. They had to weed this area because of the pumpkin. Is there water leaf here?
No,
Just pumpkin. Okay. My aunt used to have water leaf, green, all sorts of vegetables. So basically what's now available is just the cassava and plantain. The farm is huge. Like, it went all out to the end there. As you can see. Jesus. I remember growing up when we come for holidays. I think when I was about 10 years old or thereabout. Part of our holiday routine is to come to the farm. Mosquitoes dealt with me. My legs, I had all sorts of whatever. When I went back home, nobody recognized my leg. Plenty black spots. Thank God they all disappeared. Thank God it happened to me when I was a child, because now as an adult, my leg will look like someone that has crow. Let's go to the other section, but who is going? Let me follow you. Wait for me, Amara. Let me follow you people. Is this the walkway?
I've not caught that.
Okay. Hey, Jesus, are they fear? Oh. Yeah. Imana. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of weeding to do, but this farm is too big. I think this thing looks like potatoes. I don't even know. Okay. Here, why is this thing so deep like this? How do you move? Okay. Oh. This is the end of the next part. Oh, Rocky villages. In a bossy round. Also, Kinezo. I didn't know she's trying to hide from my camera. Jesus Christ. And I was just following you and turning around. These children will not kill me. I was busy walking as he tried to catch up with her. She was just turning around. This is the plantain.
I thought you were saying that it's mature plantain this side.
Okay, there's no ripe plantain. Okay.
There's no plantain this side.
Okay, the outside. Okay, or daddy won't pull you.
Yes.
Wait, though, is that the extension of the farm?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Say me, I've not thought this area.
You have not come inside.
Oh, I've never ever come to this side.
Is this our tenant today?
Okay, managing it. Huh? Mama, the farm big, no be small. Oh, so this is an extension. Had no idea. Absolutely no idea. Because I'm potter before. Mama Akwa moko. Huh? Look a spider. Can you see it? Let me move. I guess my aunt is now tired of this farm. When I was little, when I used to come for holiday, they plant all sorts: yamo, potatoes, cocoyam, cassava. In fact, this farm is like the food market. Plantain and the rest of them. What's this thing? Chanun biko. So, okay, man, what nke chanu now? What nke capta go naka?
Nke a kapta gị.
Kenko. Okay. Oh.
Orange.
So there's
And gova.
plantain. I think is the plantain even visible? Can I even see it? Okay, look at it. It's not mature yet. So this one is orange. Guava. Orange, see guava tree here.
Yes.
This one is orange plant. This one is banana.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's not yet mature.
Yeah. Oh, Mama, this farm can feed half of this local government, not the whole Akwa Ibom, because not today chop. So after you're done with all your waka up and down the farm, this is the resting area. You can roast yam here. I think this side, this place, if they harvest yam, you can see ashes there. You can roast yam, whatever. You just sit down and chill, allow fresh air from the farm to blow your head after hard work, and you know. Why, Jesus, are you guys hiding from the camera? Now, wow. Okay, now, bye.